In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the crosshair color in AutoCAD. This can be a helpful customization that makes it easier for you to work on your designs by improving visibility in your workspace. In just a few simple steps, you'll be personalizing your interface to suit your needs better. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your AutoCAD options. To do this, simply type OP into the command line and press Enter. This is a quick shortcut to access the Options menu, where you can make a variety of adjustments to your interface and settings. Once you're in the options, you'll notice several tabs at the top. You'll want to navigate to the Display tab. This section is dedicated to fine-tuning the way elements are presented in your workspace, and changing colors is a key part of that customization. Within the Display tab, you'll see an option labeled Colors. Go ahead and select that. This will open a new window where you have the power to change the appearance of different elements in AutoCAD. What you're looking for next is the section for 2D model space. Make sure you've selected 2D model space, as this is where your crosshairs are most often used when you're designing. Once you have 2D model space selected, turn your attention to the section labeled Crosshairs. This is your target area for changes. With crosshairs selected, you'll then notice a section to the right where you can choose a new color. Here you have the option to select from a preset palette, which offers a variety of standard colors. But if you're feeling more adventurous, or you have specific color requirements, you can opt to use the RGB value fields. For those unfamiliar with RGB values, this is a way to create custom colors by adjusting the levels of red, green, and blue. You can either move the sliders to find the shade you prefer, or if you have specific RGB numbers in mind, you can enter those directly for precise color matching. Explore and experiment until you find a crosshair color that enhances your visibility and works well with your overall display setting. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you can simply close the options menus. Your new crosshair color should now be visible in your design space, making it easier and perhaps more enjoyable to work on your projects. So there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to change your crosshair color in AutoCAD. Customizing these settings can go a long way in improving your workflow and ensuring that your workspace is just the way you like it. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!